Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are revolutionizing how we experience the world around us. While VR immerses users in entirely digital environments, AR enhances the physical world by overlaying digital elements. Both technologies are transforming industries like gaming, education, and healthcare, offering innovative ways to interact, learn, and connect. In this video, we are going to explore the differences between VR and AR, their applications, and their potential to shape the future. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. A quick look: VR versus AR. Imagine stepping into a fully digital world where everything, from the ground beneath your feet to the sky above, is computer-generated. That's virtual reality. Now, picture yourself walking through your living room but with your favorite video game characters appearing alongside you. That's augmented reality. While VR creates an entirely new environment, AR adds a digital overlay to the real world. VR demands specialized hardware like headsets and motion controllers to transport users into a 360-degree digital realm, while AR is easily accessible through smartphones, tablets, or AR glasses. But instead of thinking of them as competing technologies, it's better to see VR and AR as complementary tools, each with its strengths and applications. Key differences between AR and VR. The main difference between AR and VR lies in how they interact with the physical world. AR enhances the real-world environment by superimposing digital elements, keeping users aware of their surroundings. Conversely, VR replaces the real world entirely with a digital one, immersing users in a fictional or simulated reality. Equipment requirements also vary significantly. AR can be experienced on smartphones, tablets, or AR glasses, making it more accessible. In contrast, VR requires specialized hardware, including headsets and controllers, which makes it less convenient and more expensive. Another distinction is the degree of immersion. AR users maintain control of their physical environment and interact with virtual elements in real time, while VR users are entirely immersed in the virtual environment and have no interaction with the real world during the experience. AR enhances both the digital and physical, whereas VR focuses exclusively on creating an immersive digital reality. The power of immersion, where AR and VR shine together. The true magic of AR and VR lies in how they blur the lines between reality and imagination. Let's say you're learning to drive a car. With AR, you could have visual cues projected on your windshield, guiding you safely through traffic. Meanwhile, VR could simulate various driving conditions: heavy rain, icy roads, or city traffic, allowing you to practice in a risk-free digital environment. Together, AR and VR create a comprehensive training experience. Take another example. Imagine walking into a furniture store. AR allows you to see how a sofa would look in your living room by projecting a 3D model through your phone, while VR lets you step into a fully designed virtual home, where you can experiment with different layouts and colors. The seamless integration of AR and VR not only makes life more convenient, but also offers unparalleled creative possibilities. Transforming industries. AR and VR at work. From gaming to healthcare, AR and VR are revolutionizing how industries operate. Gaming. The gaming industry is arguably where AR and VR have gained the most traction. While AR games like Pokemon Go bring characters into your real-world surroundings, VR games such as Beat Saber transport players to entirely new dimensions. Together, these technologies offer gamers diverse ways to interact and immerse themselves in their favorite stories. Healthcare. In medicine, AR and VR are saving lives and improving patient care. AR can project critical information, like a patient's vitals or internal anatomy, onto a surgeon's field of view, while VR enables doctors to practice complex procedures in a risk-free virtual space. For mental health, VR offers therapeutic environments for anxiety or PTSD treatment, allowing patients to confront fears in a controlled, immersive setting. Education. Why stick to textbooks when you can experience history or science firsthand? With AR, students can interact with 3D models of planets or historical artifacts, while VR takes them on virtual field trips to ancient ruins or the depths of the ocean. The combination of AR and VR makes learning more interactive, engaging, and memorable. Business and retail. AR and VR are helping businesses revolutionize customer experiences. For example, AR lets customers see how clothes, makeup, or even furniture will look before they make a purchase. VR, on the other hand, is being used for virtual showrooms, immersive advertising, and employee training simulations, applications, and career opportunities. The AR and VR industries are rapidly expanding, creating a wealth of career opportunities across various fields. According to market projections, the AR and VR market is expected to grow to over $200 billion by the end of this decade, with applications in gaming, education, healthcare, and business. Professionals specializing in AR and VR may work as software developers, 3D artists, graphic designers, or project managers, among other roles. For example, AR developers design interactive experiences that overlay digital content on real-world environments, while VR specialists focus on creating immersive simulations for gaming or training. These roles often require expertise in programming languages, graphic design tools, and 3D modeling software. Industries like retail and marketing are also tapping into AR and VR to enhance customer experiences. Virtual try-ons, AR-enabled product previews, and VR showrooms are becoming more common, transforming how consumers interact with brands. Meanwhile, companies are using VR to offer immersive training modules for employees, improving skill development and reducing the risks associated with real-world training. Mixed reality, bridging AR and VR. While AR and VR are distinct, mixed reality, MR, bridges the gap between the two by combining aspects of both. MR allows users to interact with virtual objects while remaining aware of their physical surroundings, creating a seamless blend of real and digital worlds. For example, Microsoft's HoloLens is an MR device that enables users to manipulate holograms while seeing and interacting with the physical space around them. MR is particularly valuable in design and engineering, where professionals can visualize and modify 3D models in real time. Similarly, MR applications in gaming allow players to interact with both physical and virtual objects, providing an experience that feels more immersive than AR or VR alone. Future of AR and VR. The future of AR and VR is poised for significant advancements in hardware, software, and applications. AR innovations like affordable glasses and improved spatial mapping will enhance accessibility, revolutionizing navigation with real-time overlays and healthcare with detailed surgical visuals. VR advancements will focus on higher resolution displays, realistic haptics, and wireless connectivity, with the metaverse emerging as a key development. Both technologies are increasingly integrated with AI, enabling AR to analyze real-world environments more precisely and VR to deliver realistic simulations and responsive virtual characters, promising transformative experiences across industries. Challenges and ethical considerations. Despite their potential, AR and VR face challenges that must be addressed to ensure widespread adoption. Cost remains a significant barrier, particularly for VR, which requires expensive hardware. Additionally, issues like data privacy and security are critical, as both technologies often collect user data, including location and behavior. Ethical concerns also arise around addiction and mental health. Overuse of VR, for example, may lead to social isolation or detachment from reality. Similarly, AR's ability to overlay digital content on real-world environments raises questions about misinformation and manipulation. Addressing these challenges will be crucial to ensuring that AR and VR are used responsibly and equitably. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.